Tired of Google constantly asking for your phone number when you just need a few extra Gmail accounts? I'm here to show you how to bypass that annoying verification and create multiple Gmails with ease. First, open your Chrome browser, or any browser you prefer, and click on your profile icon in the top right corner. A drop-down menu will appear. Look for the Add button, usually represented by a person icon with a plus sign, and click on it. A new window will pop up. In the name field, type in a descriptive name for this new profile. For example, Gmail Test Account 1. Then, click Done. This creates a separate browsing profile. A brand new Chrome window will now open. In the address bar, type in gmail.com and press Enter. Click on Create Account and then select for my personal use. Now, fill out the Gmail account creation form with your first name, last name, and your desired username. Create a strong password and enter it in both password fields. Once you've filled everything out, click Next. Here's the crucial part. You'll see the page asking for your phone number. Ignore it. Instead, scroll down and look for the Recovery Email Address optional field. Enter a different email address that you already own. This is important because Google can use this email to verify your account if needed. Then click Next. Enter your birthday and gender information. Once you are done, click Next. Scroll through the Privacy and Terms page, and then click on I agree. And that's it. You have now successfully created a new Gmail account without needing a phone number. You can repeat this process with different Chrome profiles to create as many accounts as you need, using the same or different recovery emails. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.